How to hide messages on Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the default message application on your device, and after that all you have to do is select on the message that you want to hide. So for example, I'm going to select this one over here. You can select more than one as well. And then you can see different options that pop up over here at the top. So you just have to tap on this menu, which is the archive option. Tap on that and your messages will be hidden and it will not be seen by other people. So if you want to unarchive or unhide these messages on your Android, what you simply have to do is tap on your profile at the top right corner, then tap on archived over here, and then tap on the message that you want to unhide and just tap on archive option. And there you go, you can see the message on your main chat. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification. See you next time.